Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. Today is a Friday. I hope you had a very profitable day today and it's going to be a weekend once again. So, time for us to study some more in preparation for next week's market performance. But for now, let's cover some of your requested stocks. So, this one is from let me see. Here, Davina Gonzalez. Thank you for the insights. Can I please request for Meralco ACE, SECB, and TEL? Okay, let's go ahead and discuss that. But first, I'd like to talk about the index. Let us see. Okay, the index ended green today, but we had some foreign selling that happened. That's not a surprise because at the moment we're sitting at a possible resistance, but um, in the event we go break this resistance, chances are we will still see some more buying sentiment. In other words, the stock or our index could potentially go even higher. All right. So just know that you are or we are currently sitting at a possible resistance. 3 days in a row now, we've been stopping at this level. So it's just that probably some of the profitable investors or traders are already locking in their gains. That's why we're experiencing some slowing down in the movement of the index. Okay, and why did I say this is a resistance? If you go to the left, this previous area was also a resistance, and if you go further to the left, that area was a support prior. Okay, so it's just that's the whole concept of it. Previous resistance can potentially become a support eventually if we go break that level. In the same manner, a previous support can act as a resistance if the sentiment is on a decline. Now let's talk about Meralco. Okay, so we've been moving sideways from Meralco, so interesting that we are now currently stabilizing around the MA20 area. So each time the MA20 line is hit, we are experiencing some slight bounce within that level. So if you're still interested to get in, try to get in as near as you can, the 277 level. So that's a very good haggle right there. Very near. We're still very near the support level at this point. And notice the foreign selling. You see here, while there is foreign selling that happened, the volume of the selling is starting to decline. That means people are already holding on to their positions, preparing for a possible rally to the upside. Notice we've been on a decline, and then some sideways movement here, and then we're slowly showing buying sentiment building up since the 28th of May. And of course, part of that is a pullback because people are already profitable. They do take profit, and we're now experiencing possible bounce. So good choice here, uh, Davina. Ace. Let me see. I haven't really. I'm not very familiar with Ace. Two trades. Okay. So this is the downside here is that the volume for this stock is really small. So it might take some time before it could even recover. So it might just go up and down here in this level. Just know that currently in the short term, it's respecting this channel. Okay, so that is your channel. Slowly it's moving higher than the MA20 line, but if it declines or dips, then try to get in as near as you can at the MA20 line. But if you have the choice and you're not stuck in here yet, don't get in because imagine you have two trades here. Sometimes the price area is already, you're ready to sell, you're ready to buy, but because there are very few activities happening here, chances are your orders will not be executed um, in a timely manner or will not even be executed at all. So see that. So if you have the choice, try to look for stocks that are, um, I'd say, volatile, because that's where the money is. All right, you see, check one, that's one criteria. Number two, you have to first check, okay, before the volatility, check the number of trades, because that's the sign that there are many participants engaged in that stock. So if you want to place an order, buy or sell, either way, it will be executed faster. So next is SECB. SECB. Okay, SECB revisited our MA20 line, and hopefully it will respect the MA20 levels. We ended red today with some foreign selling that happened. If you are still considering to enter, probably can wait for a green candlestick to come out very near your MA20 line. But right now, I'm looking at MA20 as our support.